Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can add a date column in Airtable. So it is very simple. All you have to do is to open the base in which you want to add the date column. Then you have to click this add field button, and from here you have to scroll down, and there you go. There you get this date column. You have to press it, and then you get a couple of options, like you get a couple of formats, so you can select any format that you want: ISO, European, US, friendly, local, whatever. So let me just select this. Now you can also include time, um, but I'm not gonna do that. And you can include time zone as well, and you can set default option as current date or default to so yeah, you can do that as well. So, and then you have to just press create field button, and that's it. The date field is now been created, and now we have to just double click it, and we can add a date for anything, like double click, add the date, double click, add the date. So this is how you add a date field in Airtable. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.